They said Ooni of Ife was so agitated on hearing that Queen Naomi and her legal team storms customary court for annulment of their marriage. You know that some time ago, I don't know if you are following this gist very well, because if you are following it, you will know that around last year, or yes, either early last year, there was a time Queen Naomi was struggling to get her freedom from Kabiyesi. But because they said Kabiyesi have upper hand in this case, especially when it has to do with the customary court. They say he influenced the whole situation. And after Queen Naomi and the people that are supporting her did everything they did, they were unable to, she was unable to get the freedom that she seeks. And maybe that's why Iyanifa keeps saying that Queen Naomi might not like being in this marriage, that Kabiyesi needs to give her her freedom. Let her choose to be with Kabiyesi or not. Let it be her decision. Let it not be because of the fact that she have only one option. But the good news right now is they said a lot of people are now behind her. There's this that woman, they said the woman is the leader of the Christian Women Association in UK, that both that group and other groups are now solidly behind Queen Naomi, especially now that she have said, I don't want to do again. Now that she is out to fight for her freedom, I am sure a lot of people will support her in this quest. But let us not be disappointed at some point where she will say, she wants to return back and anything. Because you know that husband and wife matter like this sometimes, it dey tire me, oh, seriously. But all I pray for Queen Naomi is the best, nothing but the best, you know. Yes, whether she choose to stay or not, all I pray to God is give her her happiness and freedom. That is what she deserves. So information have it that Kabiyesi went to her. Kabiyesi went to the royal mansion, because at this moment they say she is now in the royal mansion, and beg her not to go ahead with this decision. That her problem right now is that she is listening to people who doesn't understand what they feel for each other. That Queen Naomi should try as much as possible to give him time. That he is promising Queen Naomi that he is going to fix everything. And I said, this time, this give me time, give me time. Queen Naomi have given Kabiyesi a whole uh, good number of times. But Kabiyesi keep messing things up for Queen Naomi. And as long as Kabiyesi is still working with Ashley, Queen Naomi might not want to give him time again. Reason is because Queen Naomi have said it that she can deal with 1,001 other women that Kabiyesi might bring into that marriage. But you see Ashley, that is the last person she would want to share a husband with. She's not going to do it. Reason is because Ashley have shown her pepper, as in not only Cameroon pepper, all these hot peppers mixed together, you know. And I believe she have her reasons, and she also have the right to decide what she wants for herself or what she doesn't want for herself. So Kabiyesi begging her to give him time, I don't think it makes sense. The best thing Kabiyesi should do right now is to let Queen Naomi go. Queen Naomi is saying that she's not giving him any other time, that she wants her freedom. And I don't think that is too much to ask for. Yes, it's not too much to ask for. She needs her freedom so that she will be safe. Because she doesn't know what this time that Kabiyesi is requesting for, what they are going to use the time to do. Is it to use it to buy her or anything? Buy her son. Especially now that Ashley have the crown prince according to them. So they might decide to do something to Tadenikawo. I don't know. But all I do know is that the God of Queen Naomi will not allow that to happen. Anyhow they plan it, God is going to disappoint them. God is going to disappoint them. Seriously. Queen Naomi have given Kabiyesi enough time. Kabiyesi have felt do what he needs to do. So begging Queen Naomi to give her enough time again, I don't think it makes sense. And I am happy that a lot of people are out to help Queen Naomi to get her freedom. Because the last time she tried, they said it was because Kabiyesi manipulated the whole situation. He influenced the lawyers and everyone because he's a king, a great king at that. And Queen Naomi could not get her freedom. But I think what he is doing to Queen Naomi is unfair. It's unfair. And they say Queen Naomi have been crying, asking him if she have committed any crime by accepting to marry him. Why is it that since the marriage is not working, he cannot let her go? Because it's obvious that the marriage is not working. For how long is she going to be running in and out of the palace? It's an embarrassment to the king himself, if only he understands it that way. So since she have made up her mind that she's no longer interested in the marriage, let Kabiyesi let her go. At least let them co-parent in peace. They can still be friends while co-parenting Tadenikawo. Rather than tying her down there. All because of one culture or one tradition and all of that. And I believe that it's because Queen Naomi loved and wanted to be with her in that marriage. That is why she agreed to do all of that with him. Yes, because any woman who wants to come to you because of what he's gaining with to you or what he's gaining from you, or maybe he's a gold digger, he will not want to do this kind of a thing with you because he knows that one day he will just leave you. She will just leave you and find her way. But because Queen Naomi trusted you, you promised her heaven on earth. You promised to be there for her. You promised to protect her. You promised to save her in this situation, knowing that she's not a traditionalist like you. It's all because of those promises that she decided to do anything it takes just to be with you. And right now you have disappointed her not once, not twice. Anyways, when I hear this, I say, let her go. She says she's not doing it again. And marriage is not by force. And it's not a do or die affair. If her mind is no longer there, let her go. Yes, if she's a bad woman, if you force her to be there, she will cause you more pain. But she's not that type. Please let her go. Anyway, guys, I don't know what to think. I want to remind you that these are all alleged information, okay? Always bear that in mind. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share my video. I love you guys. Bye. See you.